You are sitting in traffic on a hot day, and suddenly you notice your temperature needle creeping into the red zone, but the moment you get on the highway, it drops back to normal. This is a classic sign of a P0494 code, which indicates a fan speed low condition. Your engine needs airflow to stay cool. When you are moving fast, the wind does the work, but when you stop, the cooling fan has to take over. This code means the computer has detected that the fan is spinning slower than it commanded, or not spinning at all. This is dangerous because it can lead to severe engine overheating and permanent damage. The problem could be mechanical or electrical. Start with a safety check. With the engine completely cold and off, try to spin the fan by hand. It should spin relatively freely. If it feels gritty, makes a grinding noise or wobbles, the bearings or the fan clutch are shot, and the assembly needs replacing. Also, check the plastic shroud around the fan. If it is warped or loose, it might be rubbing against the fan blades, physically slowing them down. If the mechanical parts look good, you need to look at the electrical side. Follow the wiring harness from the fan motor back to the connector. This area gets very hot, so look for melted insulation or corrosion inside the plug. A bad connection increases resistance, which slows down the electric motor. Next, find the fan relay in your fuse box. If the relay is burnt or smells like melted plastic, it cannot send full power to the fan. It is always a smart move to swap the relay with a known good one to see if the fan speed returns to normal. In some modern cars, the fan speed is controlled by a variable duty cycle from the ECM. If your battery is weak or your alternator is failing, the system might not have enough juice to spin the fan at full speed, so make sure your charging system is healthy. Don't let this one slide. A slow fan might seem minor until you are stuck on the side of the road with steam pouring out from under your hood. Fix the airflow, and you save the engine.